Alright guys, this is Spade. Today we're going to get a little paint and body update on my E39 Widebody project that I dropped off at my paint shop. It's all torn down right now, but we're going to get a look at it and I'm going to record some things while I'm there. Mostly for promos for a shop, but can't wait to show you where we're at so far. As we're leaving RK Customs right now, we're leaving my friend's shop because, as you can tell, it's starting to get very stormy outside. So we're getting out of here, kind of driving and holding the camera. So we're getting out of here. I hope you enjoyed the little walk around video of the car in its current state. I think we're coming along pretty quickly. They had it blown apart in one day, so that's pretty awesome. Outside of that, thanks for staying updated with me. Next, we're painting the door jambs. We ordered the paint. We're going to do the door jambs, the trunk seal, and the hood seal area. Then I'm going to come look at the color once the jambs are done, just to get a better look of it in reality. And then we're going to start working on the molding of everything. So, might actually begin some hands-on stuff as well. He told me I'm welcome to come help out or anything like that, since this is kind of a work deal. So I'll probably be coming and get my hands dirty a little bit whenever I have time in between shoots and stuff. So thanks for staying updated with me. I appreciate you guys. I'm driving, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. You have a good day. Oh man, the rain is coming. You can kind of see the rain up there. You can see right where the line is. But I'm getting out of here, guys. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you later.